Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Z and you are watching Laughing with Z. So as you have read by the title, today I'll be showing you my workspace, study space, my desk, whatever you like to call it. It's like nothing fancy, but it's a very simple one. I hope you like it. But before getting into the video, I just wanted to thank all of you for showing so much love, for actually liking and subscribing to my video, to my channel. I remember starting with 8 subscribers, and right now, like just before shooting this, I checked it and it was 21. And it's like, I know it's slow growth. Actually, it's growth. There's nothing like slow growth or fast growth. Growth is growth. Like, also grateful to all the 21 of you for actually subscribing to my channel and actually taking the efforts to, like, just seeing my videos, showing love. It really means a lot to me. And like before getting into the video, I just wanted to like put out a few things. First of all, I've still not decided about my route, about my schedule, like when will I be posting. I'm not very sure about it. I'm just trying to like figure it out. But I promise, like by the end of the year, I'll just put things in place. And also I'll be posting just once a week. I know it's very less, but then आई डोंट वांट कि लाइक स्टार्टिंग के कुछ वीक्स में मैं हर वीक्स में 2 या 3 बार पोस्ट करूँ और फिर मैं जस्ट आई जस्ट डिसअपियर फॉर मंथ्स बिकॉज आई जस्ट गेट एग्जॉस्टेड, आई जस्ट गेट टायर्ड. I really wanted to be consistent, so I'll be posting once a week. Also, I have come up with this thing that at the end of every video I'll put up a quote or a thought. It will be something that either I have written or I have picked up from a book or a TED talk. So at the end of every video, I'll add a quote or a thought which I feel has the winning and winning energy, winning and winning wala feel to it. And obviously, as you must have guessed, it will be called the winning and winning reminder of the day. I was initially going to call it a cleaning and winning thought or quote of the day, but then I decided to call it a reminder. And there is a reason behind it. So, what I have personally realized and what I personally feel is each one of us knows our potential. We know what we are capable of, and we are just aware of our cleaning and winning capabilities, but we very easily tend to forget about it. Like something little negative happens and we underestimate ourselves. Like being a human being, we tend to remember our failures and forget our successes so easily. And we always overestimate our failures, overestimate the small embarrassing moments which were like nothing. When it comes to success, we underestimate our successes. Even if we did something which we know that it was like way beyond our potential, something we never thought we'd be able to do. Even if we do something like that, we still somehow tend to underestimate it. That's why I feel that more than realizing, most of us just need a reminder of what a queen we are. So yeah, that's the reason why I'll be calling it the cleaning and winning reminder of the day. With that being said, let's get into the video. Welcome to the favorite space of my room. So this is what my workspace or my desk looks like. Starting with the laptop, obviously. Then I have my journals here. This is my daily journal. This is my Arabic book, which I just customized. And this is my academic planner. I got this diary from SJ Moj, from Shreya Jain, if you know her. I just love her. I know it looks like very old, very dirty, because I got it like years ago. A little candle. Like, if you know me, you know, like, I absolutely hate yellow color. But it's like lemongrass fragrance, and I love this one. Pen holder, and these two paintings. Like these are the ones which I made on my own. I kind of paint, and I even have a art page of my own on Instagram. I'll link it down below. Do make sure to check it out. Like I have more, but these are the ones I relate with the most, so I just keep them here right in front of me. This is obviously me. And I just don't like the desk to be cluttered. That's why I even have a side table. So the things which I use often, but I don't use them every single day, I just keep them here. A candle, because right now, you know, I told you I'm using that one. As I told you, I paint, so these are my paint brushes, paints. Another diary. I use a lot of diaries, a lot of journals. I love books. This is my sketchbook. And this is a planner of some sort. I don't know what do I use it for. I don't remember. And this is like stationery box. Yeah, so that's it. And that's it with the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It would really, really mean the world to me. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, be safe, keep smiling, and don't forget to be glowing and growing your way through life. Thank you. Bye.